Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to do Whop affiliate marketing. Alright, let's begin. First, create your Whop account. Once you're signed in, click on Affiliates just above your profile icon. You'll see two tabs, Customer and Creator. I recommend starting with the affiliate training. Click on Start Affiliate Training to get a full overview of how affiliate marketing works on Whop. Under the Customer tab, you'll find your affiliate links. You can select any product or community, like Driven Enterprises, which offers a 30% commission. Click Copy Affiliate Link and share it with anyone you think will sign up. If they do, and make a purchase, you earn 30% of the sale. Scroll down to see your stats, affiliate rewards, referrals, and available balances. And if you need help, click Chat Support at the bottom of the page. So that's basically how you can do Whop affiliate marketing. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.